renting ski gear at a resort town often means long lines and limited options. BlueMountain Accommodations was created to change that, offering a digital-first, peer-to-peer rental platform tailored for the ski community. To build this specialized marketplace, Roobykon software extended the Sharetribe platform with a modern, custom interface. The application is powered by JavaScript end-to-end, with a front-end built using React, Redux, React Router, and Final Form, styled through CSS modules. On the back end, a flexible Node.js and Express setup handles server-side rendering and application logic, all hosted on DigitalOcean. The platform's strength is in its rental-specific features. We created a simplified sign-in to get users booking faster and designed an intuitive homepage where guests can make specific queries, like searching by postal code to find gear closest to their accommodation. Clear categories help users navigate from snowboards to ski boots. The real innovation is in our custom-built booking logic. The system handles different booking processes for daily or multi-day rentals, automatically adjusts dynamic pricing, and keeps everything reliable through calendar synchronization. This powerful functionality is presented through a clean and engaging main page. Search results pages are fast and filterable, thanks to our optimized front end. The listing page shows every detail: photos, amenities like pet-friendly and Wi-Fi, rental rules, and the booking panel, all in one place. Every host has a dedicated profile. Here, guests review past ratings from guests and hosts, and property list. From dynamic pricing to reliable calendars, Roobykon software builds the features that make niche marketplaces work. Contact us to engineer your platform success.